Hey sweet friends, I've started a brand new channel. Let the cake talk recipes and more. Click the link in the description and subscribe to join me there for more amazing and yummy creations. It is filled with the soft cake decorating and baking recipes. I would love to see you there. Please subscribe.
Hello friends and welcome back to our channel Let the Cake Talk. If you are new to my channel or you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please make sure to press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I'm sure you will get beautiful and amazing cake decorating ideas from this video. In different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing design. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite design. If you like any cake design, then please take screenshot of it. And if you want to see more cake design videos, you can please visit my channel. And also do try my amazing cake recipes. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope friends you like today's beautiful collection of cake designs. And I'm sure you will get amazing and new cake decorating ideas from this video. Which cake design was your favorite? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more stunning cake designs. Please enjoy and watch this video till the end, and I will see you tomorrow inshallah with a new video. Until then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.